The video is about removing the online scam coming from the site updata.safecorp.org. Certain categories of people may suddenly notice these strange pop-up windows to attack their Google Chrome and other browsers. And by the way, these pop-ups are the example of online scam. Such fake alerts claim to be related to some reliable security program, but they are not related to that program. They are the part of the adware that may be currently active in your computer. So this site, safecorp.org, is extremely malicious. You shouldn't interact with it. It might tell you some deceitful and scary messages, encouraging you to click on the proceed button, supposedly to fix your computer. But clicking on proceed actually forwards you to some other dangerous content, some other deceptive websites. And as a result, you may be forced to download and install some potentially unwanted programs. So don't ever interact with these fake alerts. Do not trust them. We recommend you to also carefully research your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system. So Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of identifying and deleting any hidden threats which could still possibly remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.